Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to delete a file or a folder or any program from Windows. So first of all, what is delete in computer? So the delete in computer is the terminology for remove or erase. So you can delete text from a document or delete entire files or folders from your hard drive. But when you delete a file, it is actually not erased, but instead the reference to the file is removed. So that is what the delete in computer means. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So let's see, if I want to remove this folder, then I will have to right click on this folder and then simply click on delete. And now this folder is now moved to my recycle bin. So everything that you delete from your Windows, it will be stored over here. So this is how you delete a file or a folder or a program in the recycle bin. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to delete a file or a folder or program in Windows. So thank you for watching.